Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Jaipur. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, they offer top-notch scanning solutions to clients from various industries. 3D scanning is a process that captures the shape and appearance of real-world objects and converts them into digital models. This technology has revolutionized the design and manufacturing processes, as it allows for accurate measurements and detailed analysis of physical objects. Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, delivering high-quality scanning services to clients in Jaipur and beyond. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for 3D scanning services in Jaipur is their expertise in handling complex projects. Their team comprises highly skilled engineers and technicians who have extensive experience in using advanced scanning equipment and software. Whether it's a small component or a large-scale object, Scon Design India Private Ltd can handle any scanning project with precision and efficiency. They understand the importance of delivering accurate results within tight deadlines, ensuring that their clients can proceed with their design and manufacturing processes without any delays. Another reason why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out in the market is their commitment to quality. They follow strict quality control measures throughout the scanning process to ensure that the final digital models are accurate and reliable. Their team conducts thorough checks and validations to eliminate any errors or inaccuracies in the scanned data. This attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors and gives their clients peace of mind knowing that they are receiving reliable and precise 3D scanning services. If you are looking for a government land surveyor in Jaipur, then look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading land surveying company in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established a strong reputation for providing accurate and reliable surveying services to government agencies and private clients alike. With a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, we are committed to delivering the highest quality results that meet the specific needs and requirements of our clients. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in conducting surveys for various purposes such as land acquisition, boundary determination, topographic mapping, and construction projects. Our team utilizes the latest surveying equipment and techniques to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping of the land. We understand the importance of accuracy in land surveying, especially when it comes to government projects where the results can have significant legal and financial implications. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we take pride in our ability to handle complex land surveying projects in Jaipur. Our team is well versed in using advanced tools such as GPS technology and laser scanning to capture data with high precision and efficiency. We also have extensive experience in working with government agencies and are familiar with the regulations and requirements that need to be followed. When you choose Scon Design India Private